Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Today we will see how to make vegetable rice. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan over medium flame and fry some cashew nuts and keep it aside. Now in the same pan add 1 inch piece of cinnamon, 1 green cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a cup of finely chopped onion and 2 slit green chilies. When the onions turn translucent, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped carrot, 1/4 cup of julienne cabbage, 2 tablespoons of boiled peas, 1/4 cup of finely chopped yellow capsicum, 1/4 cup of finely chopped green capsicum and a little salt. Saute this for 2 minutes and add 3 cups of cooked rice. Mix well. Now add the fried cashew nuts and turn off the flame. Please do try and post your feedback.